Hello guys, we're live. I think we're live. I hope we're live. It's just setting up. You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are we live? Can you ask someone if you're live?
Yes.
Okay, we're live. Cool. So guys, let's start the Huddle Sports Quiz. I'm going to show you guys. Let's first have a brief introduction. Can you guys introduce yourselves? Hey, can we introduce ourselves, please? Pulkit, you're on mute.
Okay. Hi, I'm Pulkit. I'm a football player of sorts, and I'm just not too much of a sports enthusiast, but yeah, I really like the idea of a quiz, and that's why I'm here.
Best of luck, Pulkit.
Yeah.
Okay, then our second participant here.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi, I'm Dhruv. I'm studying sports management and kind of killing my boredom with this quiz and hope it goes fine.
Best of luck, Dhruv.
Thank you.
And a third and final participant for the quiz.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Joy. Big Arsenal fan, a Premier League avid. So I would like to test my knowledge here.
All right, good luck, Joy. So the three participants for the quiz are Pulkit, Dhruv, and Joel. So I will start with the rules first. Let me share my screen with you guys. Can you guys see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So the rules of the first round are there's going to be a range question shared with you guys, and you guys should keep a pen and a paper handy.
Okay.
And just give me 1 second. Yeah. So each question is going to carry 10 marks, and in case of a tie, there will be additional. Oh, so this is the first. Okay, sorry, wait. Yeah. So I'm going to share a question with you guys. It's going to be a range question. These are the general quiz rules, and then we'll get to the first round rules. So each question is going to carry 10 marks. In case of a tie, there will be additional rounds if the tie is broken. First answer is final answer, so no corrections are allowed. And in case you guys have any connectivity issues, that will not be our problem. And please don't cheat, guys. And please make sure that your phones and your gadgets are on silent. So these are the basic rules. Let's get started with round one rule. It's called the advantage round. So I will ask you a range question, and you guys will have 10 seconds to answer that question on a piece of paper. And the answer closest to the right answer will get to choose their subject in the next round. So it's a very big advantage, guys. Since all of you play sports, you will get to choose the sports of your choice in the next round. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Are we ready for the first question?
Yes.
आप अपना पेन और पेपर निकाल लो.
Pen and paper. Yes.
So the first question is, what should be the weight of an F1 car according to the 2019 guidelines of FIA? What should be the weight of an F1 car according to the 2019 guidelines of FIA? You have 10 seconds, guys. Get going. Joel,
Yeah. I can't find the pen.
did you hear the?
Fine.
What should be the weight of an F1 car according to the guidelines of FIA, 2019 guidelines of FIA. Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Joel, are you done?
Yeah.
Cool. So if you guys can just show your answers on the screen. Okay. What is your answer, though? I really can't.
1500 kgs.
1500 kgs, bro. Okay. Pulkit?
700 kgs.
Okay. And Joel?
110.
110 kilos.
110.
Okay.
No, 110. 110.
So the correct
1000
answer,
kilos.
we cannot hear you properly, Joel. What's your answer?
1000 kilos.
Okay, 1000 kilos. The answer is 660 kgs. This does not include the driver weight. So Pulkit was the closest. Pulkit gets to choose first in the next round. And Dhruv answered 1100 kilos, right? Okay, so Dhruv was the last. And Joel with 100 kilos, with 1000 kilos is second. Okay, so guys, before we start the next round, I'll quickly show you guys the rules for the. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll just show you guys the rules of the next round. So basically, let's just save some time. We have three categories of sports, and there are 5 questions in every category. Every question is going to be worth 10 points. And we won't have any elimination in this round, but from next round onwards, we are going to have some elimination, or like one person is going to get eliminated. So you guys would want to establish a lead in this round and not put yourselves under pressure to the next round. So the 3 categories of sports are football, cricket, and tennis. So starting with Pulkit, which sport would you like to choose?
I'll choose cricket.
Cricket. Dhruv, you're a cricket fan, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but you won't get to choose cricket. Okay, Joel, your category, you got tennis and football. Okay. Dhruv,
Left to tennis.
you will have to make do with tennis. Okay. So let's start with Pulkit.
Okay.
Every question is going to carry 10 marks, and you will have 5 questions. You can take your time answering the questions, but don't just read anything else. Okay. So let's start, Pulkit. The first question is: I am a World Cup winner, former Australian captain. My brother also played international cricket with me. Who am I? I am a World Cup winner, former Australian international captain, and my brother played Test and international cricket with me.
Steve Waugh.
That's right. Who is the captain of Mumbai Indians?
Rohit Sharma.
That's right. Who is the highest wicket taker in Test match cricket? Who is the highest wicket taker in Test match cricket? You're not allowed to answer, bro.
Muthaiya Muralidharan.
That's right.
Yeah.
Which team played the first international pink ball test? Which 2 teams played the first international pink ball test? It was a day-night test. It happened.
It was England versus Australia.
No, it's Australia, New Zealand. I won't give you half mark for that.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay, last question. Where are the headquarters?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Where are the headquarters of ICC?
ICC headquarters are in England.
No, they're located in Dubai, UAE. So you got 3 out of 5 correct, Pulkit.
Absolutely.
Your score right now is 30.
Yeah.
Well done. That was a good try. Let's move on to Joel. Joel has football. Joel, are you ready? Okay, let's just wait for Joel to stabilize his connection. Till then, we'll move on to Dhruv. Dhruv, your sport is tennis, and can I start asking you
Yeah.
questions now?
Yeah.
Okay. Which country is Justine Henin-Ardern from? Justine Henin-Ardern. She was a Grand Slam winner. She won the French Open, and okay, it's a European country. Any guesses?
England.
No, she's from Belgium.
Okay.
Okay. What is the soft shot in tennis called that drops just over the tennis net? It's a
Top
soft.
shot.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Can you name the Grand Slams in chronological order, like they appear in a year? So starting
Like they
from Jan,
appear in a year.
yeah, starting from Jan to
So first is US Open, then Australian, then Wimbledon, then French.
No, it's Australian Open that happens in January. Then is the
Okay.
French Open, then is Wimbledon, and then is the US Open.
Okay.
So, okay. So, to whom did Venus Williams lose 5 consecutive Grand Slam finals?
Serena Williams.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Which year did Rafael Nadal turn pro?
Which year did Rafael Nadal turn pro? 2004. Yeah, 3.
You close. I'll give you another try.
2.
Oh, it's 2001.
Arre.
Nice try. You got 2 on 5. Considering it's not cricket, I would call it a good.
Yeah, I do.
So unfortunately, we don't have Joel online. So, Dhruv has 20 points. Joel, can you hear us? Joel, can you hear us? Wait, guys, let's just wait for a minute.
Okay.
You guys can grab water if you want.
Then will we choose the next round, right? If it doesn't
Yeah.
come.
So after Joel is done, we'll have the picture round, which is also going to be very interesting. But for
Okay.
that, we need to have Joel online. Joel is online now. Okay, guys, let's wait for another 30 seconds. If Joel doesn't show up, we'll have to disqualify Joel.
Yeah, then we will be the finalists.
You guys will be closer to the
Yeah.
400 rupees, the championship, the 100 championship. Come on.
Yeah.
Joel,
Hello, can you hear me?
get your connection sorted, man. You have
Yeah,
15 seconds, Joel.
Hey man, don't come.
Cool, I guess enough wait. You've done enough waiting. Let me just. So unfortunately, the Arsenal supporter is out.
Can you hear me?
Okay. So let's continue with. Let me just remove Joel from the. Okay, guys. So
Okay, we are through.
yeah. So it's just two of you left. And basis the last round, the scores are Dhruv has 20 points and Pulkit has 30 points.
Bye-bye.
So the next round is a picture round. I'm going to show you 8 pictures, so 4 pictures each. And every picture is going to carry a weightage of around 10 points. So
Okay.
there is not going to be any elimination, but again, you guys have to try to build a lead to get closer. Just give me a few seconds. Let me just sort this out. Um, all right, guys. Um, so let's start with the picture round. Okay, Pulkit's gonna start first. Pulkit has 30 points, and Dhruv, you have 20 points. So it's gonna happen 1v1. If one person cannot guess the answer, guess the correct picture, then it doesn't pass on.
Oh,
So I'm gonna share my screen right now. Let's start. Can you guys see my screen?
yes.
Okay, Pulkit.
Yeah.
Starting with you. Okay. Which World Cup is this iconic image from, Pulkit? So this is Pele.
Yeah.
He was 17
Uh,
years old when he won this World Cup. That's a very big clue.
1973.
No, it's 1958.
Okay.
Dhruv, this one's for you.
Okay.
Against which country did Harbhajan take India's first Test hat trick?
Australia.
That's right. Instant answer by Dhruv. Okay, this one's for you, Pulkit. Which trophy are we referring to here?
uh, this is Wimbledon.
Oh, yes. So Pulkit has 10 points from this round. Dhruv has 10 points from this round with a picture in hand. Which stadium is this, Dhruv? Which stadium is this?
Uh, no idea.
The Olympics were held here, as in the opening ceremony of the Olympics. It's in Asia.
Hmm.
Okay. Do you want to guess? Take a guess, Pulkit.
No idea
This is
whatsoever.
the Bird's Nest Stadium from Beijing.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. This one's for you, Pulkit.
Yeah.
Identify the cricketer.
No.
This is Rahul Dravid.
No.
That's right. So your turn. Against which country did Alex Morgan do the historic teacup celebration? So this was very recently. This is very recent. Happened in the World Cup.
Bro, tell from my expressions, I don't know.
There's a clue in the photograph, as in the question itself. The historic teacup celebration.
Teacups.
She scored against a country, and she sipped tea after scoring. Like, to sip tea after scoring.
I don't know.
Okay. You want to take a guess, Pulkit?
England.
Yeah, this is England. Okay. Next question for Pulkit.
Merit of RM.
Identify the Indian weightlifter.
Oh, I know the Indian weightlifter. No, I'm not able to recollect the name.
She won a bronze medal in the 2000 Sydney Olympics. It was India's only medal. No?
No, I'm not able to recollect.
Okay. Dhruv, any idea? Okay, this is
No.
Karna. This is Karna Maleshwari.
Oh yeah,
Ah.
yeah.
Okay.
नाम भी
This
सोचा.
one's for Dhruv. This is the final question of the round.
Okay. Please.
Identify the jersey. This
Mohan.
is yeah,
Mohan Bagan.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Tukka.
So it was a good round. And
Oh, wow.
after the round, the scores are Pulkit has 50 points and Dhruv has 40 points.
Yeah.
So it's a close race. And
Give me cricket.
and It's a close race. So the final round is a rapid fire round. So I'll quickly go through the round. There'll be around 10 questions. And as soon as I ask the question, or even if
Okay.
you guys feel you know the answer, even before I complete the question, you guys can raise your hand. So whoever raises his hand first
Okay.
will get to answer. And if he doesn't answer, there won't be any negative
Yeah.
marking, but the question will carry on or carry forward to the other person, and he will get
Okay.
no to answer the question.
Okay.
So you guys are
Okay.
clear with the rules? Okay.
Yeah.
So Pulkit, you have 50 points. Dhruv, you have 40 points. So the situation is clear.
Yeah.
You need to answer more questions than Pulkit to stand a chance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Fire away.
Okay. So you guys have to
Yeah.
raise your hands. You guys don't have to say the answer. Just raise your hand and I'll point out जिसको भी answer करना होगा वो तब answer करेगा. Cool. Let's
ठीक है.
start. Where were the first Asian Games held? Where were the first Asian Games
Thick.
held?
Cool.
Pulkit, your internet is. Yeah. Where were the first Asian Games held? I'm going to give you options. Jakarta, Tokyo, New Delhi, Beijing. Okay. Dhruv?
Jakarta.
No. Pulkit? Pulkit, you have an answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Can you repeat the options again just one more time?
Jakarta, Tokyo, New Delhi, Beijing.
Beijing.
No. The answer is New Delhi. Guys, come on, man.
1981.
Oh, too bad.
Okay. The next question. Ryder Cup is associated with which sport? The Ryder Cup is associated with which sport? You
Golf.
guys, okay. Dhruv.
Golf.
Yeah, that's right. So Dhruv and Pulkit are tied with
50.
50 points. Okay. Where were the Olympics in 2000 held? Where were the Olympics in 2000 held?
Options.
No options.
Greece.
Yeah. I was also
Okay, I'll give you options.
Greece.
Athens, Beijing,
Athens.
Ottawa, or Sydney?
Athens.
Pulkit?
Sydney.
Yeah, that's right.
Arey yaar, 60.
Okay. So Pulkit is at 60 points and Dhruv is at 50 points.
Yeah.
Okay. Which sport is the Super Bowl associated with? Which
What?
sport is the Super Bowl associated with? Super Bowl.
Not able to hear you.
Which sport is Super Bowl associated with?
Super goal.
Yeah, Pulkit.
Baseball.
No. You want to try that, Dhruv?
Super goal. Basketball.
No, it's American football. Anyways, next question. Kite flying is a professional sport in which country? Kite flying is a professional sport in which country? India, Afghanistan, Thailand, or Cambodia?
Cambodia.
No. You have to raise your hand first.
अच्छा,
Dhruv.
okay, sorry.
I'll disqualify
ठीक
you.
है.
Okay. On to you. Pulkit, on to you.
Thailand. I
Thailand.
have no idea. I was just guessing. Yeah.
Did you actually say Thailand or did you just hear me say Thailand?
No. I said Thailand.
Okay, I'm not going to give you that answer. Even though the answer is Thailand, I'm not going to give it to you. Okay. Where did Yuvraj Singh make his debut? Where did Yuvraj Singh make his ODI debut? Nairobi, Mumbai, London, Lahore.
I said Thailand. I guess Thailand. Yeah.
I'm going to repeat the question. Where did Yuvraj Singh make his Mumbai, London, or Lahore?
Mumbai, London, या Lahore. London, Lahore, Mumbai, London.
These are all very difficult questions you are putting up, huh?
Okay. Any guesses?
Mumbai.
London.
No, the answer is Nairobi. I was hoping Dhruv knew this. It
Uh,
was a very
New
memorable.
न्यूजीलैंड में था ना?
नहीं, Nairobi, Kenya. So the scores right now are Pulkit with 60 points and Dhruv with
50.
50 points. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the official slogan? What was the official slogan of the Rio Olympics? I'll give you options and you guys have to raise your hands. Don't say out the answer, please. A new world, welcome home, love and save nature, or inspire a generation.
A new world.
Yeah, that's right. So Pulkit has the lead with 70 points to 50 points.
Yeah.
And we have
A winner.
three questions left. So
Okay.
I need to get all three.
so you need to get all three right.
That's impossible.
It's not impossible. It is possible. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pulkit,
Okay.
please don't answer any.
The Stanley Graz Stadium. The Stanley Graz Stadium is located in which? The Stanelgrad Stadium. Sorry, apologies. The Stanelgrad Stadium is located in which country? Russia, Estonia, England, or USA?
Russia?
The Stalingrad Stadium.
Russia?
You had to raise your hand, but I'm going to give you that. So
I raised my hand.
70 to 60. Pulkit is 70. Dhruv is 60.
Okay.
Last two
Okay.
questions, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who won the Premier League in 2016-2017? Was it Leicester City? Was it Manchester City? Was it Chelsea? Or was it Manchester United? Dhruv?
Leicester City. Rubio.
No. It's
Man City.
you wanna give it a shot, Pulkit, to just
Manchester City. Or Chelsea.
No, Chelsea. So the last question, Dhruv, to answer this question, we go into a time break. Otherwise,
Okay.
otherwise, Pulkit.
Yeah, Pulkit, let's make it interesting, bro.
Come on. Okay. Which football club is referred to as the Los Blancos? Which football club is referred to as the Los Blancos? The options are Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, Real Madrid, or Levante. Okay, Pulkit.
Real Madrid.
Oh, well done, Pulkit. That's the right answer.
Yeah. Sorry, Dhruv.
Congratulations.
कोई नहीं.
Unfortunately, Dhruv, you were close, but not close enough. And well done, Pulkit.
Thank you so much.
You're the winner of the first Huddle Sports. You're the Huddle Sports geek.
Okay.
Quiz.
Getting a Huddle
Okay.
soon. And it was nice having you guys.
Yeah.
Take care, guys. Enjoy the lockdown. Do whatever you can while sitting at home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so
It was
much.
nice. Take care, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
See you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.